Daisy forgives me. Hi, Daisy. Are you ready for our date?
Date? Huh. I don't ever want to see you again. You have too bad a temper.
No, wait! Stupid girl! Sorry, Daisy. I promise I'll never lose my temper again.
Well... Okay. I'll give you one more chance. You can take me out to dinner.
I can? Oh, boy!
Remember, if you lose your temper, that's it.
Okay, Toots.
Hello there, folks. I'll be your waiter tonight.
Hey!
Temper, Donald, temper.
You folks are lucky. You got the best table in the house, right next to the kitchen. How's about some water and breadsticks?
Yes, please.
Breadsticks for table 29.
Donald! Temper!
I'll be right back to take your order.
I'm ready to order, Donald. Could you get the waiter?
Excuse me? Hello? Excuse me? Hello?
Temper!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So, ready to order?
I'll have the fish.
Grilled or broiled?
Grilled.
Potato or rice?
Rice.
Soup or salad?
Salad.
Ranch or Caesar?
Caesar.
Croutons or bacon-bits?
Croutons!
Okie doke, coming right up.
Don't you want to write that down?
Nope, I got it mesmerized. So, ready to order?
Huh.
Salad! Made fresh at your table by yours truly.
Look, Daisy, I'm not losing my temper.
Oh.
Oh, boy. Hey, I ordered a steak.
Whoops, sorry. Come on, steak!
Come on, steak! Steak, 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 steak!
Yeehaw! I win! Let her ride! Double or nothing! Come on, fish!
Delicious. Oh. Ah, boy, am I full.
Hope you all enjoyed your meal.
I didn't enjoy wearing it.
Bet you thought I was gonna drop them. Well, here's your check. Yep. Sorry, ma'am. I'll get that.
Now, Daisy, temper, temper.
That does it! I've had it! I've never had such miserable service in all my life! It's an outrage!
What?
This is the worst service I have ever had! I would think that Timothy was the last person on earth.
They sure are a perfect couple, aren't they?